Origin protocol, 3-minute video technical analysis using Ichimoku Cloud. So bear with me, it's going to be very interesting. You can see now we have a clear run coming up. We are on a daily time frame here. We broke above this resistance here of the 0.74. We are currently touching our Tenkan daily. We went above already with this long head, but we want to see the body of our candle clearly above and closing above it. So if we look at the 4 hours time frame, what do we want to see here is the next candle, like this one that is forming, to close, to finish above the Tenkan daily and not on it, because now we are testing this resistance. And doing so, like it's looking like now, right now we're going a bit bearish, you can see that we are testing it and we don't want to be rejected. We want this resistance to be broke and accepted. We don't want to be rejected on it and go back into a bearish trend. So at the moment we are testing it, so it's well possible we're going down back to the Tenkan 4 hours at 0.7674 before we go back to the Tenkan daily. So it's really a very important time now to watch out what can happen. But remember, we are inside a massive cloud. Yeah, this cloud is very big, and what happened when we are inside a cloud? There is lot of wind, so things can move sideways very quickly. It's well possible that quickly we're going all the way up here to the extension of our cloud on the SSB at 0.8835. This one here, why? Because this is still above our current candle till tomorrow midnight. So one more day, one and a half day more, and this is very flat here. So it's going to create some resistance. So to get away from it, like here, to get above it, it's going to be hard. So once we touch here, we get pushed down again, okay, before we can get out this cloud. So at the moment we are clearly inside the cloud, so this is one very important thing, because it means we are free to go anywhere inside the cloud. But to make maximum benefits, you want to know where is the stop loss, take profit. So you use your Tenkan, here the Tenkan 4 hours as a stop loss, 0.7672, or you can go toward down here the SSA of the cloud, or even a bit lower, Kijun 4 hours I would use, because it's just under it. So just in case you hit the SSA but not the Kijun 4 hours before we reverse and go on a push on a bull run, that will be very important to keep our shares and not lose the money. So we can use Kijun 4 hours as a stop loss. Yeah, that's it for the moment. So just watch out, even go on a 1 hour time frame and try to see what's going on. You can see now, yeah, we're flying this Tenkan 1 hour. So once we get above it, we're gonna touch the Tenkan daily and keep pushing up and up and up. So you watch out those candles coming up and you will know exactly what to do. You guys take care. If you want me to cover up a bit more, you let me know in the comment and I can make another video about it. Otherwise, 3 minutes over now. So I see you later. Bye bye.